hardcore demonstration of how to down one of these little babies here. First of all, we start with a knife, and we start a little bitty notch here. You gotta go real slow, you know, you don't want to blow the shit out of it in your face.
Doing the tutorial right
Just,
now.
you know, slowly, slowly, slowly. Yeah, you just work it in, you know?
It's like
your mom said.
It's like the mail.
Shut up.
There you go.
See? Slow.
My God. He does this.
Go, 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 go.
You can start increasing the pressure, you know, once you get most of the pressure.
It's
out.
let's fucking open the can.
We're good.
Douchebag.
Make a big hole in there, you know, so you can get it all out.
That's what she said.
Cover that. Yeah, don't do that at home.
What?
Behold, brand new can, okay?
Well, I think I just heard you open it.
Crap.
Here.
Hey? Hey?
It's not bottoms up,
Look,
retard.
look. It's gone. It's gone.
Dude! That is
Crush the
crazy.
can. Crush the can.
Crush it.
Hey!
See, there's
Your
no.
head.
That's not